Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 2018 Range Rover SV Autobiography. Dynamic. This truck is loaded. It had a window sticker of over the top. Let's see here. 189,750 bucks. Then the LUMMA CLR package was added. Give you the whole front valance up front. Aluminum hood, carbon fiber on both doors, carbon fiber trim below that, side valances, carbon fiber rearview mirrors, rear spoiler. It's finished in a matte blue, which is unbelievable. Aluminum rear valance. Also have carbon fiber trim running across the back there. Sitting on staggered 24s. Man, this truck is incredible. A little over 30,000 miles. And it's loaded too. Check this out. Every option conceivable. Got this signature entertainment package. Check this out. Dual screens. Diamond stitch seats. Panoramic roof. Wow. 30,839 miles. Battery's a little low. Jeez, what a truck. Touchscreen entertainment. We have all the original owner's manuals, literature, everything that came from Lumina. Oh my God, it's just gorgeous. Can't really run it in here too long. Get the point. All black veneer in here. Alcantara roof. Oh my God, this thing's just incredible. Dual screens, rear air. Two outlets. Aluminum mats throughout. Yeah, just a gorgeous truck. I've never seen anything like this before. Power hatch. These are staggered 24s, man. Oh my God. And when you turn it off, it kind of lowers down. Very cool. On the air ride. Black veneer. Whew. Yeah, beautiful. It smells like rich leather in here. Just beautiful. Aluminum component package was over 73,000. Cannot even imagine. Look at all this carbon fiber. It's riddled everywhere. Beautiful. Well, guys, thanks for joining me. Mike over at Weeby Autos. Smash that subscribe button. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more photos on our website, so weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.